In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix laggy streams on Discord. Streaming on Discord can be a fantastic way to connect with your friends or audience. But there's nothing more frustrating than interruptions caused by lag. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps we can take to smooth out your streaming experience. First off, let's start by logging into Discord. Make sure your application is up and running smoothly and you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of the Discord window, where you'll find the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Click on that to dive into the user settings. Next, we're heading over to the advanced settings section. Within this menu, you'll see an option for hardware acceleration. This feature is designed to shift some of the workload from your CPU to your GPU, which can be helpful, but sometimes causes more trouble than it's worth by contributing to lag. So, go ahead and turn off hardware acceleration. You'll need to restart Discord after making this change, and that's perfectly normal. Once you're back, it's time to navigate to the voice and video settings. Here, a key option to adjust is the Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority. By default, this setting is meant to prioritize your voice and video streams over other data traffic on your network. However, not all networks handle it well, which can lead to stuttering streams. Disabling this option can often ameliorate those issues. While you're still in the voice and video settings, let's look at the video options. You may have a setting called OpenH264, which is in charge of handling video compression. Disabling this can decrease CPU load and potentially reduce lag. So if you see it, turn it off. Following the video settings, another useful tweak involves the in-game overlay. This feature can be handy for chatting while gaming, but it also eats up valuable resources. To turn it off, go to the Game Overlay section in your user settings and disable it. This step can free up significant memory and bandwidth, contributing to a most stable stream. Finally, we can address background distractions by heading to the notification settings. Turn off desktop notifications to prevent those pesky pop-ups from interrupting your streaming setup. They can not only derail concentration, but also interfere with how smoothly your stream runs. These adjustments should help in dealing with that annoying lag. Remember, every system is different. If one setting doesn't have a noticeable effect, make sure all are applied together and potentially consider checking your hardware specifications or network connection for further improvements. By following these steps, you'll be setting yourself up for more seamless and enjoyable Discord streams. Thanks for joining me today, and happy streaming!